Best Large Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi S3. In the realm of large sports sedans, the 2024 Audi S3 emerges as a standout choice, offering a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and technology. As the latest iteration of Audi's esteemed S3 lineup, this sedan exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences while providing the comfort and sophistication expected from a premium vehicle. At the heart of the 2024 Audi S3 lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S3 offers rapid acceleration and precise power delivery. With its dynamic handling characteristics and sport-tuned suspension, the S3 delivers agile performance and responsive handling, making it a joy to drive in various driving conditions. The S3's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Audi's sport suspension and progressive steering ensure precise control and confidence-inspiring handling, while the sedan's lightweight construction contributes to its nimble agility and precise cornering. The S3 features high-performance brakes, offering exceptional stopping power and stability under hard braking. Visually, the 2024 Audi S3 exudes a sporty and sophisticated demeanor, with its sleek design elements and distinctive S3 accents. Its exterior features a bold single-frame grille, sleek LED headlights, and quad exhaust outlets, hinting at its performance capabilities. The S3 rides on 18-inch alloy wheels, further enhancing its athletic stance. Optional exterior packages allow drivers to personalize the S3's appearance, adding a touch of individuality. Inside the cabin, the S3 offers a luxurious and driver-centric environment, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The interior boasts sports seats with leather upholstery, a flat-bottomed steering wheel with paddle shifters, and ambient lighting. The S3 is equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a touchscreen display, navigation, wireless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Audi S3. The sedan comes equipped with Audi's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, the S3 offers available features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert for added peace of mind. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi S3 offers a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology in the large sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, dynamic handling, and upscale amenities, the S3 promises an exhilarating driving experience that will satisfy enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.